everybody, this is Robin and I'm here with Evil Client, and we are going to do a See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, and it is given to me. This is the inspiration, and it was given to me by Pug, also known as Jennifer, and she has a viewer. So I'm starting this tutorial with a taupe. Any taupe will do. This is by Twyla True. It's called Guest List. And I have a dark silver blackish color, and then I went over it with a matte top coat. So let's see here. Here is the nails like this, and I'm going to put the See No Evil, Hear No Evil on these two, and then maybe put some other stuff on the other ones. But until then, I have brown, blue, green, red, orange, black, and white. I'm going to spray it with a real fine mist of water, and then I have my liner brush that is called the Wand that you can get at robinmosesnailart.com. I wash it out, get a nice brush point on it, and then we're going to start. So, are you in frame, Evil Client?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to show me when I have where I have colors. Or am I in color?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm moving in red and green together. Can you see it?
Yeah, they can see what you're making.
Okay, great. So I'm moving red and green together, and it's making a dark taupe. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of black and add that and make just a darker taupe. Now I'm going to be moving in and out of this color because this is the color that I want to have the most. I want it to be darker. Just get me in frame. There we go.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, and then I'm going to dot in.
Oh, wait a minute.
I love that.
We had the wrong finger.
Okay.
Where am I? There.
Well, that's more comfortable. Okay, are you done?
I'm done.
All right.
I'm smack dab in the middle now.
Cut. There we go. Okay, so I'm starting out with the dark taupe color, and I'm just going to put in the dark blobs like this. Like this. And then it's going to be open-mouthed. So I'm just putting in the darks right now. And then I noticed that I'm going to go like this. Just go like that. And now I'm going to go in with a lighter color, which is a light taupe, and by adding white right to that color. Okay. So I'm just going to like loosely draw in with the most thinnest white color, but it's not really white. It's just a taupe. It just looks white on this color, but just it's going to be so sheer and so fluid that when it dries, it's almost going to dry with like this skin over the top of it, and make it look like it's smoke. And that's what I'm trying to go for, is this real smoky look. It's going to look ethereal when it dries. So you don't have to make every dot perfect. When it dries, it's going to dry into the form that it just does naturally. So I'm dotting up the sides like this. And as you guys know, Evil Client has the smallest nails ever. So you guys just try it, and practice makes perfect. So don't be scared if you can't get it the first time. It's okay. So I'm going up. Now, the way that this picture is, it's like pulling the skulls through the nail like this. All right. Then it's going to be like this fiery flame going around. And just the light and the dark is going to make it look like they're in the flames and or smoke, like whichever you prefer to call it. Okay, so now I'm going in with a little bit lighter of white. It's going to be a little bit thicker, and so it's going to be more matte. I'm going to go over each eyeball. One. Okay. Okay. Take a breath. And then make a line down here. And you have your first hand over the eye. Boom. Then down like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Oh, see, that's still too thin. So I'm going to let that dry for a minute and go to the next one. Will you get me in frame, evil client?
Mm-hmm.
Gracias. Okay, so this one is going to be down, looking down. So I've done skulls that are all twirled like this, and they were phantoms. Remember those neon phantoms?
Yeah,
I don't know if I still have those online. Look, Robin Moses neon phantoms up on YouTube. I'm not sure if I took them down or not. I've taken down about 500 tutorials because I didn't like the way that they looked on film. So there is...
actually, we did the phantoms twice.
Really?
Yeah,
So you might be able to find one.
We did the black and white one, and then we did a neon one.
Was it like the one where it's the Halloween phantoms? Where they're standing like Night of the Living Dead phantoms? Those? Or
No,
did
their faces.
Really?
They're just faces, I think.
Oh, well, right on.
Or just heads.
I'm going to look for it now. So I'm going, okay, so this one's going, it's looking down. See, it's saying speak no evil, so it sees, so it's going to have eyelids. Now, see, you have to like think out of the box here, but it has eyelids for a reason. Like that. Now I'm going to put the darks in with that same dark taupe that I had before. And oh, I love him. Okay, he needs a skull face. Okay, so again, dot, 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 dot. Those are the teeth. And then he's looking down. I'm going to give him more of a brow as I put my lights in. These are just the mediums kind of. So I have the mediums going in first, dark, then light. But the mediums, I'm just sketching in the medium skull so that I can know where my place is, because I don't want to lose my place. Okay, now on the other side, evil client, turn your finger a little tiny bit. There we go. I'm going to have one just like this, and he's going to be looking off to the side. Like this. Looking off to the side. Boom. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, and the head, the nose, and the skull. Dot, 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 tooth. And then it goes straight into the chin, and then it goes straight into into the fire type thing that we're making. Okay, then with the white again, that's where the whiter, I'm going to put the hand over the ears. And this is hard, just so you guys know. Sorry. So that's why I'm doing 2 nails only, just so you guys can try it, because I don't want you to get freaked out. I want you to try to do this. And if you do, show it to me by tagging me, Inspired by Robin Moses. And I'll see it on Instagram. Okay, here we go. He's going to be speak no evil. So with the white finger, he's just going to have a finger going over his mouth like this. And then the knuckles, like that. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that's the basic front top area. Now I'm going to go in with my highlights. Am I back in frame?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to go back in with my lighter white, and I'm going to put in the other hand that was too wet to do before. But see how fast that dries? Because I paint this pretty fast, seriously. Okay, so, oh my god, I love him. Do you love him, evil client?
I actually do. I see him.
Oh, I do love him. Okay, so now I can dot in all of his highlights. So just so you guys know, fun fact, evil client won this time because we were going about hearts and love. And I was going to make her do love nails. And then she was like, no. And then we talked about it. And then I showed her this and we decided on this. So she gets the evil fun ones this time. And Juicy got the Valentine's against her will. Well, kind of, sort of. She wasn't into it. But, I mean, she still liked them. But she would have much rather had bling.
She's a diva. You can put bling in the nail.
Oh, I know, but I didn't have enough time because of that dang baby. God, he gave me. I still have a headache from that baby, but I love him. But let me tell you,
I know you love him, but.
Oh my God, I love him so much. But he wore me out. Okay, so.
Hey, it's that teething thing will wear anybody out.
Oh my gosh, and he is. His little gums were so swollen yesterday. So anyways, yeah, you got the cool evil ones this time. So there's that. Okay, now on the other ones, I'm not really certain what I want to put here yet, but I'm going to figure that out. I'm just going to go in there and highlight and meet you back. Boop. Okay, so now lastly, I'm going to go in and just add some Valentine love, as said so by evil client's niece. We don't have a name for her at this time. You can name yourself, you know. Oh my gosh. We'll call her the mime right now.
You call me the nurse.
The nurse. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Because you have a
Nurse.
doctor.
I
so now you're a
do.
nurse.
Oh my gosh. And we did. We talked about nurse stuff. It's just amazing. Just so you know, shout out to all nurses always. I have a deep love for nurses, as you guys know, that know me well. So anyways, there is, I'm going in with just some red hearts, and that mixed against the skeletons is so cute. I'll meet you back. Okay, and here is the end result, and we're going to call this the Scream of Hearts as requested by the nurse, and this is done for Jennifer, aka Pug, one of my very oldest viewers on every platform. Anyways, if you guys have a request, please leave it in the comment section. We do. Evil client reads these, so and she does. She writes down her favorites, don't you?
I do.
Okay, so I'm going to show you up close. We put hearts on the other ones, and then I matte coated the top. And this is what you get. And let me show you one more time where I got it from. Bam. So let's put them on there. So there you go. Anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please share this video, spread the word, and get brushes at robinmosesnailart.com. See you back with more.
Bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye.